Rose, London Real.
Hi, Chris, nice to see you.
Nice to see you too, man.
Let's
take a look.
Brian, what do you think?
Nice place.
Not bad, right?
So let me cut to the chase. I spent all morning in all of the luxury places here in Dubai. I was downtown by the Burj, went to the Palm, went to the Bingati area where you got all these branded buildings going up. You got Lamborghini, you got the Bugatti, you got the new Mercedes-Benz towers. There's like 11 towers down there. It's all off-plan luxury, which has been making people a lot of money for the past few years. They got a saying where I'm from, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And I'm here in Dubai from London to try to find great investments. We want to deploy some capital, but my investors expect me to really be careful, do the due diligence, and get them the most return for the lowest amount of risk. Why not just stick with something that's proven and something that works? And so I'm wondering, what the hell am I doing way out here in what feels like the middle of nowhere?
Firstly, do you think that if someone needs to brand a residence like Mercedes, that it's actually luxury? The way that I see it is that luxury is defined by scarcity, something that's not readily available.
What type of people are buying places like this?
You're getting all the ultra high net worth individuals that their time is extremely valuable. They don't have time to come in, upgrade themselves. They want to come in, be able to have the furniture, have the design, have the interiors, and be able to just move their family in and start working because their time is precious. I'm going to take you around and show you what luxury really is. I need you to feel this. This is a leathered marble finished countertop. Now this is a very family-oriented cinema room. If you see, this is all acoustic panels. Man, where do you get this in Dubai? Do you really think that you're in Dubai right now?
No, it feels like we're in some oasis somewhere. I mean, it's kind of hard to believe. The greenery, very peaceful out here.
This is something that is impossible to craft in a magnitude, like going and doing a master community or doing a building tower. This is one of one. Everything that we do is always bespoke.
Dubai luxury real estate is exploding right now, but the biggest money is not being made where most people are looking. My name is Brian Rose from London Real. I've spent 15 years on Wall Street and the last 5 years studying the Dubai property market up close. And almost nobody sees where the real money is being made. In premium luxury transformation projects that have historically delivered 40 to 90% annual returns. That is incredible. One recent project on Palm Jumeirah delivered 93.8% in just 12 months. For years, these opportunities were locked inside private investment networks. You never saw them. You never had access. Participation in these projects typically starts around $20,000 per investor. If you're serious about deploying capital in Dubai this year, click the link below and apply for a short investor strategy call with our team. Make sure you put that video call link into your calendar. Your opportunity starts today.